Good afternoon, my friends. This video will be how to fault find a lead that is somewhere broken, but as you can see, it is already cut in two pieces. There's one piece and this is another piece. This was cut there, and despite this that was already repaired, I took the tape off, and this here, it seems if there's still a problem somewhere in the line, either here or there. So let me show you how to fault find exactly where the problem is. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this wire so that we can do tests on this side as well as there, and then I'll bring you back after that. Okay guys, wires is exposed. This is now that short one. So let's see if we've got continuity. And now it's the type that close off. Okay, that one is there. This is the neutral. Now let's check the live. It seems if the live is dead. It seems, oh sorry, I must put it there on the live. Okay, the live is also there. It's just difficult. Okay, so this part is ready. It's good. So we will concentrate now on this bigger piece. I'll bring you back. Okay guys, on the longer piece that we now know is a problem. So we will put it on the live there, and on the live here, and it go through. Okay, now the neutral. And the neutral go through. But not so good. So there's a problem on the, as you can see, I've got a little resistance on the neutral. But on the power, it goes through. Okay, so we know somewhere we have on the blue line a problem. So what we're going to do now, we've got a piece that is exposed there. I'll bring that closer and see if it is between the plug and maybe this joint that was previously made. So let's try now and see. This is the neutral, and let's see there. That's a full. Okay, so I must open it now. Let me just untangle it because one of them is a problem. Okay guys, now this was connected together. So somewhere between this and the plug is a problem, or this and the plug. It depends on which one of these two is now connected to the plug. So let's try this one first and see. Okay, that goes through. So that means that one will now be the problematic one. Absolutely. Okay, so now we know on this line, I'll get the other point of it. There is a problem on this blue wherever it goes. So let me untangle those whole lot to get only this piece so that we can test it further. Okay guys, we eliminate the problem now to this section. and I see the one is, this is the one where the other connection is. Let us open it there and check it from there to that point, and from there to this point, and then we can separate the two and halve our problem. So let me do that quickly. Okay guys, from all that, which is a long piece, we sit now only with this little piece, this one, and then that one, which is part of that one. So the fault must be in the longer piece or in the short one. So let's hope it is in the short side. Otherwise we will have a big problem to find it in that area. Okay, let me set you up for this test. Okay guys, let's hold thumbs. Let us see. Lucky. Can you see? So we have a very low resistance there. So the problem is lucky for us here, and let's confirm it with this long piece that this is okay. Can you see? There it is, go right through. Okay, so now I can put all that together in one nice long one, and then this little short piece is problematic. And if you have now, in the case where the long piece was the problem one, what we then would do is to find it. We will do an inspection on the wire first. So let's inspect this one to see if we can see something. Okay guys, I've inspected this cable, and with the eye there is nothing wrong. But what I then check is you take your fingers and you turn it a little bit, and you just go over the wire and feel if you can feel any inconsistency somewhere. That is normally what happened. And I've done this now, just now before I start the video, and I found two places that we're going to check. You can see there I made two marks. And there's actually a little white, you can see it's a little bit white in the middle, but there's two marks. We will open that, and there I made another two marks. So let me open the red part so that we can see what's going on inside, if I'm correct. So I'll bring you back. Okay guys, it seems if I might be wrong. There's no obvious faults there, but I'm going to remove all the red so that we just can see if we can see where's the problem. Okay guys, I've got the blue wire off, and the only fault that I can see is on the blue. There's a strand sticking out and some damage. I don't know if you can see, but probably there's more strands off. So it is all that I can see on this wire. So just for interesting sake, let's cut it off here and test. This piece should then be right, and the short piece here must be correct or wrong. Let's do that quickly, and then we are finished. Okay guys, this short piece have a good 100% short to it, which means it's correct. From the one to the other side we've got full resistance. and this longer piece is still somewhere have a problem. So I think, what is that? Okay, so somewhere is a problem here, and lucky for us, it was only, we can determine it quickly. There is something, there is something. It is plastic, but nevertheless we sort it out, and I'm going to quickly make that one together so that we can test it and see if it is correct, and then this job is finished. Okay, let me do that quickly for you. Okay guys, it's all in one. I've got it here on the, this will be the blue line, the neutral, and it going through. Okay, let's try the hot wire going through. Now so everything is fixed. It's fixed up. So okay guys, now you know how to eliminate the problem on your lead. Okay my friends, hope you like it, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.